The algebra students. This morning we're going to write what we call a regression or a line of best fit, a model for data in a table that's close to quadratic but not exact. We did this for linear, we did it for exponential, now we're doing it for quadratic. We start the same way as we did on the others. We take this table data right here, and we go to this plus sign in Desmos. We add a table and we put all the data in. So I went ahead and did that ahead of time. And then I made a mistake in the notes, so you're going to need to correct that. Then we put in the linear y mx plus b. We put in exponential. For quadratic, it's a little bit longer and clunkier. You do y1 squiggle a x1 squared to show that it's quadratic plus bx1 plus c. So let's go back to Desmos, and I have put that in there. I have gone to the second line under the table and put that in. Once you put that in, you will scroll and see that it gave you A, B, and C. So we take that A, B, and C, and we write our model, or we call it a quadratic regression equation. So let's write it. Y equals, the A value we're going to round, negative 0.008. You have to get a significant digit in there. X squared plus 0. Let's round this to 75 x. And then plus, what's my C value? Let's round it to 13.5. Predict your fuel economy if you were going 42 miles an hour. So that you could do a couple of things. First of all, go up here and see what the fuel economy is y and the speed is x. So 42 miles per hour, we could do a couple of things. We could just take this equation and substitute 42 for all the x's and type it in your calculator or Desmos. Or you can go, and this is kind of what I prefer to do because you can get so much information that way. Go back to Desmos and erase or X out what you have and put your equation in that you just wrote. So negative 0.008 to, I'm just going to put that in there, x squared plus, what was it? 0.75 x plus, and then we had 13.5. Now, you'd have to zoom way out to see your graph. There we go. It's a quadratic, but if you will hit this gear and add a table, you can do anything you want in this table. You could just type in 42 for the x value, and you get about 30.5. So your fuel economy going 42 miles an hour would be about 30.5. If you look at your table, that's within the reasonable range. Now predict your fuel economy if you were going 19 miles an hour. We're going to assume it's right in here somewhere. But we're going to go back to our table in Desmos, and it was, let's just type a 19 in there, and it says 24.8. And that looks to be about close where we thought it would be. Now, there's something else. No, you can't. Sorry, my bad. So you can use this information that you get from writing the equation from the table. You can use it to answer questions, to make predictions, to do a lot of different things.